Weston, I hear your sleep button isn't working. Oh dear. Well, we're just going to have to fix that. I've got my measuring tape, and I've got my wrench. I've got my saw. Got my saw. Got my hand drill. Yep, got my hand drill. Got the hammer. So what do you think? Should we get to work and get it fixed? Okay, let's do it.